much would have been here? Give me 30,000. At 30, 30, give me 30,000. 30, not 30,000. 30. Come on, start them out. 10, 20. At 10, give me 20,000. 10 bid 20. At 10, down over the 20,000. 10, not 20. That bid, you're thinking 15. At 10, not 15. 12, 5. 15. I was close. At 12, 5, not 15. At 12, 5, not 15. 15, 15. 12, 5 with the 15. At 12, 5, not 15. At 12, 5, Tommy, you think about 15, 14, 13, 14, 15. At 14, 15. At 14, now 15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 17. At 16, 17. At Phillips head. You're all out. At 16, 17. At 16, now 17. 16, now 17, now 16. Mean Gene, you're out. At 16, 17, 17, 16, 5. Now 17. At 16, 5, 17, 17, 5. At 17, with the 17, 5. More you're out. At 17, give me 17, 5. One back in. Now 17, look at me. At 17, now 17, 5. At 17, 17, 5. Buy it. Let's get it. Let's get the bar. At 17,000, 17, 5. At 17, with the 17,500. Now 17, 17, 5. 75, 18. 18, 18, 18, 5. 18, 18, 18, 5. Now 19, give me 19, 19, 19, 5. And 19, 19, 5. And 19, we got a bidding war. We got a bidding war. Let's get a bar. And 19, 19, 5. And 19, bullet truck. Here we go. And 19, now 19, 5. And 19, 19, 5. I give you 19, 19, 5 as he went back in. And 19, 19, 5. 19, give me 19, 5. Else hands up. It's in. Got to sell it. And 19, 19, 5. I give you 19,500. 19, 5. Went back in, sir. 19, 5. So, 19, so, 19, so, 19,000. 627. Good job, Philip. 627. So.
Okay, lot number 169 is a 1966 Pontiac Bonneville two-door. And I drove this car in and around the lot earlier today parking it. I really like this car. Engine, transmission rebuilt, new exhaust, power steering, power brake, air, fender skirts, new 18-inch chrome wheels, new tires, runs and drives. Look, and it does. Good looking, nice lid sleeve.
Look at the lines on that car. We'll give me 20,000. 20, give me 20,000. Down with 20,000. Start them out. We'll give you 10. 10. 5. 10. 10, 10. Hit 5 with a 10, 6, they give you 7, 7 with the 7,000, 6 and 7. Hit 7, 8,000, 8,000, 9. Hit 9,000, 10,000, 9 with the 10,000, 9 and 10. Hit 9,000, 10, and give me 9,000, 10 and 10. What are you thinking, Jack? Hit 9,000, 10. Hit 9,000, 10 and 10 and 10. Where's Nora? Hit 9,000, 10. Who'll give you 95? Hit 95 with the 95. Thank you, sir. Right in the back. Hit 95 and 10. Hit 95 and 10 and 10, 5.